So welcome students, in this question, you're given that this system of equations have a non-trivial solution. As you can see, these system of equations are an example of homogeneous equations. That is, the right hand side is completely equal to 0. So if a homogeneous set of equations have to have a non-trivial solution, then the condition is that delta is equal to 0, right? So that is the determinant 1, 2a, 1, 3b, b, 1, 4c, c has to be equal to 0. So this is the condition. So now let us expand this condition and see what a, b, c are in. So 1 times 3bc minus 4bc minus 1 times 2ac minus 4ac plus 1 times 2ab minus 3ab is equal to 0. So this implies 3bc minus 4bc minus bc and minus 2ac into minus 1 plus 2ac minus ab is equal to 0. This implies 2ac is equal to ab plus bc. ab plus bc. So if you uniformly divide with abc, you get 2 by b is equal to 1 by c plus 1 by a. So what is this condition corresponding to? This condition says that a, b and c are in HP. So 2 by middle term is equal to first term plus last term. So a, b, c are in HP is the answer. Thank you.